Igreja San Ildefonso is first and foremost a royal site. The small town of San Ildefonso, designated as a monumental historical site, is a token of the glory of the Spanish monarchy in the 18th century. The royal palace, the glass factory, and the fabulous Versailles-like gardens are icons of such splendor. Lying some 80 kilometers from Madrid and only 10 kilometers from Segovia, San Ildefonso boasts a stunning natural setting and a rich cultural heritage. A farm run by the Order of St. Jerome, it was purchased as a summer residence by King Philip V, the first member of the French House of Bourbon to rule as King of Spain after he abdicated. When Philip reassumed the throne upon his son's death, the palace was enlarged to house the court. Designed by renowned architects Teodoro Artemans, Andrea Procaccini, and Filippo Giovera, it is a typically lavish Baroque palace. Attached to it is the Real Colegiata La Santissima Trinidad, the Royal Chapel. The fountains are operating from April to mid-October, although they are all operational only for 3 days a year in May, July, and August. Furthermore, in July and August, the Fountain of the Diana Baths is usually open on some Saturday nights. The fountains are operating from April to mid-October, although they are all operational only for 3 days a year in May, July, and August. Furthermore, in July and August, the Fountain of the Diana Baths is usually open on some Saturday nights.
Thanks for watching. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button and share.